might have traveled on many routes via train, and also you may have seen many crossing railway tracks which ultimately let you enjoy your journey thoroughly. Hello friends, today we will talk about amazing railway tracks that you might not either have seen yet or listen in the stories only. We are talking about 20 feet long railway tracks present on India's Jharkhand's Hazaribagh Barkakana route near Lohariatan village. These railway tracks shows mysterious behavior as in spite of parallel, they coincide each other and surprisingly attain their actual position by falling apart after some times. These railway tracks starts coinciding at around 8 in the morning and after approximately 3-4 hours coincides completely. Thereafter, in the afternoon at around 3, they starts departing from each other. The localities and village people are amazed with this mysterious behavior of the railway tracks and considers this as some magic. Some people even believe that there is some superpower around tracks and that is the reason for this mystery. Although scientists and researchers are still confused with this behavior of coinciding and by default departing of railway tracks and couldn't come up with a valid solution or any scientific reason behind this. Now let me tell you another more interesting incident done by the villagers. They have put long, strong sticks between the railway tracks, but all their efforts went in vain and didn't let the tracks to stop coinciding. And it's unbelievable that how strong the spill between these railway tracks are. That in the cement platform, tracks coincides by breaking robust iron clips, isn't it? Also, this incident happens within some specific area of 15 to 20 feet and strangely within stipulated time. Geoengineers are trying to find out what is actually happening under the ground where this incident happens and what sort of stone is there. There are some belief that this could happen because of strong magnetic effect. Some railway engineers are relating this with temperature also. Because of high temperature, tracks starts coinciding in the morning, whereas towards the sunset, where temperature rises, railway tracks fall apart. Whatever may be the reason, everyone has their own aspects to perceive this unknown mystery. Researchers are trying hard to come up with a valid and optimal reason behind this mystery. What are your thoughts about the same? Please mention in the comment box below. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and also don't forget to turn on notification bell. Thanks for watching.